Hi guys, welcome to Let's Make with Duaa. Today we are going to be making a slushy in a bag. So the things that we need is a small Ziploc bag, a big Ziploc bag, 1/4 cup of table salt, a drink of your choice, I'm using Coke, and around 5 cups of ice. Since this is a bit difficult, you might need some help, so I just put the Ziploc bag around the cup. So you need to use the small Ziploc bag, small one, not the big one, the small one. So I'm gonna get my Coca-Cola. So this is enough. So I'm just gonna close the bottle. This is the first step done. Now carefully just lock it up. Like this. Now get the big Ziploc bag and put ice in it, but make sure to leave some space because you're going to need to put this Ziploc bag, small Ziploc bag in here. So you gotta leave some space. So yeah, I'm gonna start. Might be a little cold, except that's okay. You might need to wear some gloves. Now it's time to put this inside here. Make sure to put the table salt in. Now let's put the rest of the ice. Now it's time to shake it. This might take a while. You may need to massage it a little. Make sure to shake it and massage it until it becomes a slushy. I think it's turned solid, as you can see. So now let's see if it worked. I'm gonna put it in this bowl here, and then I'm gonna open it. Let's see if it worked. I think this is slushy. That looks like slushy to me. And it's slushy. So now let's taste it. This is my slushy now. So now I'm gonna open it and let's test it and let's see if it tastes good. This is what it looks like. Time to eat it. This tastes amazing. I'm gonna drink this. Honestly, I might make this every day if it wasn't so cold. Except, yeah, have fun. The reason why we add table salt to our delicious slushy is because the table salt lowers the freezing point of the water in the bag, and so the ice in the bag actually is colder and it lasts longer than plain ice. Make sure to like and subscribe.